just wanted to thank Justin for what he's done for me.
I feel like I'm almost 100%, so really excited that it's working and it's a great treatment. I really love it. So.
And now my life is getting back to normal from Justin's therapy. I feel like I gained a lot of range of motion and I'm able to do much more things. Thank you very much.
It's been probably like 2 months now since he's treated it last, and I haven't really had problems with it, and I notice a great improvement in how my neck feels.
And as we finished up on the treatments, I'm actually feeling a lot better thanks to what he was doing, and really helped a lot.
Since then, I have not been waking up in the middle of the night as I was before. My sleep has been normal.
And it made an incredible difference in how I can move, how I can even put my head back in the car when I'm driving, lying down, standing. It made a complete difference in my life. And I'm very grateful to Justin.
I can say that from a 10, my pain basically went down to a 0.
I'm very happy with the treatment that I received from him and everyone else here as well. Totally professional and a level of comfort, and I'm thankful. Thank you.
So yeah, I would definitely suggest this therapy.